Hello, my name is Justin with Aristatek, and today I'm going to illustrate how to set latitude and longitude with Tier2Submit. We will start by selecting a facility. As a note, latitude and longitude need to be in decimal degrees format. If you have them in another format, we will provide a link to help you convert to decimal degrees. Now, I will demonstrate how to set latitude and longitude by address. Please type in the facility's correct street address and click the blue link to the left of the map. It will set your latitude and longitude coordinates. To fine-tune a facility's location, find it on the map using satellite view, and hold the Shift key and left-click the appropriate area of the map. If a facility does not have a physical address, please type no address in the street section and fill out city, state, and zip code fields. After that, select Set Lat-Long from Address. The map will be updated near the city that was entered. I'm going to demonstrate how to update latitude and longitude with a concrete plant on the north end of Laramie. I'm operating under the assumption that it does not have an accurate street address. I prefer starting in Street View. Select the box under the left corner of the map, because this makes it easier for me to find nearby intersections and street names are easier to see. I then move and drag the map until I'm near the facility. At this point, I switch to Satellite View and then select the correct location. Again, this is using the Shift-Click method of setting latitude and longitude. Thank you for watching, and again, latitude-longitude information is important. If you do not provide the correct location, the report may be rejected by local agents. Thank you. Have a nice day.